video number 4, this should have been video number 1, how to actually set up your Google Classroom. But there we are. I didn't set out with a plan, and it's showing, isn't it? But I'll put this as number 1 in the playlist, so you'll be seeing this first, and things that come afterwards won't make sense because I won't refer to this. But anyway, here we are then. You've logged into Gmail via your school accounts. In our case, CPO or Lee can help you find that if you have forgotten it. So CPO or Lee for that. Anyone else, take yourself off to your administrator in your classroom for Google Classroom if you're watching from somewhere else. Now we take ourselves up to the 9-dot menu. I don't actually know the official name for that. I just call it the 9 dots in the top right. And there you will see Google Classroom. If you don't see Google Classroom straight away, it's because you won't have been using it. In fact, this is the order in which I use the various apps. So you see it's Gmail's the most popular one I use, then Drive and so on and so forth. So if you don't see it straight away, scroll down and you'll find it. All right. So then tap Classroom. Now my classrooms are going to come up now. Here they are. And then what we need to do is we need to create a new one. So you create or join a class. So we tap here, create a class. I don't know, what should we call it? We'll call it, I don't know, fish and chips for argument's sake, and create it. And that's really all you need to do to start with. You can pull in the other information if you want, but that's all you need to do. Oh, it's taking a while. Please pause whilst the paint dries. I wonder if all the world is currently creating classes. It doesn't normally take this long. Wow. Alright, there we go. Okay, it came up now. You'll see it comes with its own default themes, and this class code up here is quite important. That's if you're going to email students or someone joins in late, that's the code they need to join the class. And to get children into the class, go up to people. So there's me as a teacher. First of all, we can add another teacher. So for argument's sake, we can add, I don't know, Lorna. So add another, there's Lorna. So we could add Lorna. I won't do it now. And then she'd be an extra teacher. Cancel that. Or students. I'll just go for an A. So again, you just tap the names in, add them in, and then invite them. But I won't do that because that will confuse them in this case. We'll deal with all the other stuff in other videos. But that really is, it's as simple as that, to create a class and then shape it in the way that you want to. When you post anything, it'll come up here in the stream and the children will see it. They'll get two things. They'll get an email and it will come up in the stream. So once they have this joining number or class code, or you've sent them an email, that is how they'll get there. Let me just show you something else while we're here that will pertain to this one. So let's go to our teachers one, which is this. So let's say I want to email everybody in one fell swoop, because it's a bit of a gnaw setting it up, because you've got to add each child or each person. So I can see who's connected to the class so far. Well done, these few. Bad job, the rest of you that haven't. But let's say I want to email everyone. So you just tick there, actions, and email. So that's really cool. So you can email all your students once you've set it up in one fell swoop. I like that feature. I use that all the time. In fact, that is how I tell them they've got work coming, is I email them. So that's a very basic how to set up the classroom. It really is quite easy. This video's out of order. See you next time. Cheers for now.